Okay, in this video, I'm going to draw some graphs using technology. Now, obviously, your graphics package or your graphics calculator is going to vary depending on the brand. I'm going to use the Casio ClassPad, and I'm going to use Geogebra. So here I have the Casio calculator, and I'm actually in the main menu. It might look a bit different to yours, but there should be some kind of icon that says graphs and tables. When we click on graphs and tables, now I've already got some previous things in there, so it's just a case of deleting those or clearing the memory, obviously. Now, you've got a various of y1, y2, y3, y4, and so on. Now, as long as you put in the equation, it's already y equals. So I'm going to put in, say, 2x plus 1. So it's a basic straight linear graph. And if I press Enter, Execute, it ticks the box. If it isn't ticked, I'm sure you'll be able to do it manually. Up here, there's an icon for a graph, and I'm going to graph it. Now, there's the line. It may well be that you're not happy with the aspect on how it looks. So here, on this icon, you can change the axes. You can go to default, which sets it to as you can see, minus 7.7 to 7 in the x, and then in the y, minus 4 to 4.6. Well, that's okay with that, and that's a much more satisfactory line. Again, I can draw another line on there if I want to go with a negative gradient, so say minus 5x plus 5. Press Enter, and again, just press that. Now, you have to wait for it to draw the first line. Okay, I didn't put that in correctly. That's not a negative sign, so I just easily correct that by deleting it. That's it, try again, and I get a second line. Now, let's move on to Geogebra. I'll just get rid of that, put Geogebra up. Now, when you open Geogebra, you get a blank grid usually. If you click on this icon, you can usually change it to blank or put axes on, put a grid on, change various things around there. Over here, down here is an input bar. Now, I'm going to put the same equations in. I think it was y equals 2x plus 1, and it automatically draws it. Obviously, the aspect isn't brilliant because of the small screen size I'm actually working with. And as soon as I press Enter, it places the equation up here. Again, I can draw another one. Let's go for a negative. I think it was y equals minus 5x minus 5 or something like that. And there we go, press Enter, and it's drawn it. Now let's see if I can shift this up a little bit so you can see the graph a little bit better. Okay, so I'll just move that a little bit. There you go, you can see the graph, and I move that over. You can now see the equations on the left-hand side and the graphs on the right.